Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of Political Science Tutorials. In this video, we will try to understand what is bandwagon effect and what is bandwagon effect in politics. First, let us discuss the term bandwagon effect. Actually, it is a psychological phenomenon in which people do something primarily because other people are doing it. We can say that this is a trend of adapting of beliefs, ideas, facts and trends which already increasingly adopted by others. As more people come to believe in something, others also hop on the bandwagon regardless of the underlying evidence. Literally, the term wagon means we know a vehicle which is used for transporting goods. Bandwagon means a wagon which carrying band or a small group of musicians who play popular music together. From when this term started to use in politics. In 1848, when in USA the campaign was going on for presidential election, an entertainer called Dan Rice traveled the country campaigning for President Zachary Taylor. Taylor won the election and became the 12th president of USA in the year 1849. Dan Rice's bandwagon was the centerpiece of his campaign events and he encouraged those in the crowd to jump on the bandwagon and support Taylor. By 20th century, it became a trend of political campaign and jump onto bandwagon become a derogatory or disrespectful term used to describe the political phenomenon of wanting to be the part of the majority, even when it means going against one's own principles and beliefs. In politics, bandwagon effect is to vote for those who are likely to win or proclaimed or projected by media to win. Because people want in the end that they will be on the winner side. For this reason, they alter their opinions to majority view. This is mainly psychological condition when people draw inferences and take decisions following majority of the people. So, bandwagon effect is a psychological condition. Scholars suggest that there are other situational circumstances why people behave in this manner, but this occurs mainly because for weak political involvement of voters in terms of partisanship and general political awareness. They are not aware about what is going on in political sphere, not think or assess the political phenomena. We can say that in this regard, mass media plays an important role as this is the main source of information of building opinions. In all democracies, media polls have become a staple of political coverage and media has a high news value on media polls. Except voting behavior, this effect is an important force behind the dynamics of phenomena of collective protest. In any democracy, citizens have a right to protest against any political decision or social discrimination, etc. To some extent, it is important also to change the decision or situation. It needs to follow the majority decision. But due to this effect, sometimes it becomes difficult for the researchers to conduct social research. We know that social science research need a neutral, unbiased views of individual. But due to this effect, people sometimes ignore his or her own views and jump onto bandwagon. For example, in an interview process regarding women empowerment, A person may not express his or her own view in favor of it if in that society women empowerment is considered as a cause of social deviance. So, the result of social research may be guided in problematic ways and the result may be different from actual reality. Hope the discussion is clear to you. We'll come back with a new topic. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Keep watching. Thank you.